Welcome to a video about my 2019 Valencia Renegade 38BB. Here's a close-up of the tires. Looks like they're in good shape. And a close-up of the rims. Looking good. Passenger seat. Here's the driver's area. We'll see a little bit more of that later. Queen size bunk in the front with electronics including satellite receiver, DVD, powered antenna, TV. There's a privacy curtain here you see here. This is a full-size hide-a-bed sofa. You can see there's two blinds actually. There's a shut the light out and then filter the light. With nice decorative valances. You'll notice these switches, it's got the wireless system that allows you to control lights from multiple locations without any wires, including the front panel, which allows you to turn most of the lights on inside the coach. Here's the control panel for the hot water heater and the inverter. Also the slide control. There's both electric as well as propane heating for the hot water. The sink. Plenty of counter space. This is a propane range. A convection microwave. Storage above. It's a big cabinet. Main TV with sound bar and subwoofer. More storage here. 3 decent sized drawers. Under sink vents, including the hot water heater. This is the circuit panel. Both AC and DC. More drawers here. Residential size freezer and refrigerator with locks so doors don't come open when you're traveling. Another big storage compartment with a full set of factory provided manuals. Here's the dryer behind a nice cabinet and the washer. There's an AC in the front. This is the dinette. It will actually fold down and form another sleeping space. And there's 2 large drawers here. And then there's an upgraded thermostat that controls both air compressors. Moving back here, the bunk area. There's windows and TVs, USB plugs, switchable lights, as well as another bank of drawers underneath here. Here's the bathroom. There's storage behind the medicine cabinet. And to the side, another drawer here. Under sink storage here. Kind of standard decent size RV shower. There is a remote control exhaust fan here. Moving back to this, the slide control for the rear is here. Here is the master with, I think it's a small king with a privacy door here. There's another privacy door on this side so you can close off the spaces. Closet storage here. More here. Some more for electronics or whatever you would want. Here and here. The emergency exit window. HD TV. Another closet here. A bank of drawers. And large cabinets over top with a nightstand on both sides. There's the nightstand here. There's the nightstand here with cabinet space there. The rear air conditioner is here. Again, this is one large space. One more look at the bathroom. And the bunks. One more of the master with closet space, storage space, USB 110 outlets on either side. And then one more look here, dinette, sleeper sofa, kitchen area, residential refrigerator, convection microwave, main TV that will actually pull out with a sound bar, and a very large space up here. Great for the grandkids. Now let's go back outside. You notice there is a closable screen door for when conditions allow. And then let's look at the storage cabinets. I'll give you a stand back look at the side. There's the slide out. This is where the water heater outputs the heat. An outside TV with radio and speakers. All the remotes. Undercab storage, that's the inverter there. And there are lights for these cabinets. These are some of the larger cabinets. Carpet lined, nice gaskets. So they're fairly water resistant. Let's take a look at, let's see if I can get a good look at these tires. You can see the windows from the outside, they're frameless. Let's get a close look at these tires. There's the outside tire, there's the inside tire. You don't really see any degree of excessive wear. Those are the leveling stands. It's got an automatic leveling system. Another large storage compartment with a propane hookup, so if you have a grill, you can hook a hose up to it and run your grill from the onboard propane. Another large cabinet here. And one more look at the side of the coach. You know, we recently, within the last month, had it ceramic coated. It's in great shape. It's actually stored in this barn. And you'll see when you see the mileage, it's been very lightly used. This is the rear with a rear camera. There's a 12,000 pound hitch here. It's set up for flat towing. You can see the gas, the air line for the braking system for your tow car. one more storage cabinet. I apologize, it's not been emptied yet, but you can see there's a storage reel there with an automatic transfer switch. An 8 kilowatt Onan generator with 315 hours just serviced. I'll show you the receipt here shortly. This is the fuel fill. It holds 100 gallons. Let's take another look at these tires and rims. They look good. And the tires are in great shape. They just picked up a little bit of dirt because we live kind of out in the country. You can see there's a few cosmetic scuffs here. Nothing big. This is the control system for the gray water, the black water. There's a water filter. And then under here is where you hook up the drain. You want to empty the black and gray water tanks. Probably the largest, but still not extremely significant cosmetic mark is the scratch on the outside driver's side slide. And then driver's side, again, real good look at this tire. They're in great shape, as you would expect with really minimal mileage. Chassis was serviced at the same time as the generator. We'll show you the receipt shortly. One thing I didn't mention is I did upgrade the headlights to LEDs, which makes a huge difference. This is the def fill. I think it holds 10 gallons. Typically lasts about, I don't know how many miles or so. Here is the receipt. You can see I replaced the house battery, the chassis battery, and serviced the generator and the chassis. Mileage on the coach is 12,719, which means I only put about 8,000 miles on it in the last 4 years, taking very short trips. I did add this console. It has a little gauge I add called a scan gauge, which is kind of nice to monitor fuel economy, etc. You can see the other controls here. It's got the 6-speed transmission, USB hookup, Garmin navigator, auto leveling system. It's ready to go. Sunscreen included. Brake controller, 2 sets of keys, cruise control. Any questions, just send me a message.